Hey guys, an update on the S&P 500. So I expected yesterday to be a green day because of the oversoldness on the 4-hourly up until the daily RSI. We didn't get it. It did a fake out, broke back down, took the low, and on the 4-hourly it then created a bullish divergence here. Okay. From this low to this low, we have a higher high on the RSI, and yep, this low is lower. This low is at 6,359. This one is at 6,360. So this price goes a little bit lower. Also, then this candle goes lower as well. If we take it from here to here, we have also a bullish divergence, even though it's not that nice on the RSI and it's not from point to point. There's a candle in between. This one is also, yeah, making the divergence. So I think then today will make it green after 1 day of delay. Now, what I'm gonna do is, because it still means nothing, okay? I think it's important that, yep, we had here a green candle yesterday with engulfing volume, but I think the weekly is gonna be more important here, okay? We wanna get back above this trend line on the weekly and get above, yeah, ideally this point of control here. It's still far away. And then we have the monthly closing today as well. It would be good, I think, to close this one at least above this point of control. Okay, at 6,467. For now, it looks like it's gonna do it. With this point of control, I mean the one of this range. I think if we lose this one back again now, we will push towards, yeah, this zone here, okay? But today is good. For now, don't want to jinx anything. What I can do then additionally to the upside is add a target box. This was, I posted potentially a 1-2 setup, or like potentially an attempt to move higher. I posted it on YouTube as like a message saying that ideally we hold this area here with the 1-to-1 taken from this potential A B, but we never got there anymore. So this is gonna be the wave 2, and then from there 1-2 again, and then moving up here. So I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna calculate a target box to the upside like this. For wave 3, we would want to reach, yeah, this zone here, ideally even the 1.618 or beyond. But I'm gonna add the 1-to-1 as always as well, because this can still turn out to be an ABC if we find resistance here, and that would be then a sign of weakness and a sign of, yeah, price leaning to make one more low and move towards that next zone here. Okay, so 6,528, important to watch in my opinion. It would be nice to push higher. We have got room on the 4-hour, a lot still. Good green volume candle here again, good one in the low as well with higher volume compared to the last candle. And then I talked about the moon indicator. I know it's a funny one, but I love it. It's full moon tomorrow, or like tonight, and not always, but often your full moon, of course it depends on the run as well, but look, for example, this run here we had last year, on your no moon you have like often sideways or price action to the downside, while on the full moon you usually have a trend that moves up. Okay, at least if you finish often higher than where you started, not every time of course. I don't think there's any method or indicator that is 100% accurate, but let's see now. Tomorrow, if this kicks in, it might be the sign of strength that we are looking for, okay? Also, like tomorrow, the NASA rocket is going to the moon. The launch is happening. So it's two moons that are aligning. I'm just saying. That's it. I'll keep you updated and see you next time. Bye bye.